See our Easter rice. So our Easter rice is ready. Our Easter rice is ready. Now they are sharing the stew. Chai. See how fire they come out. I say fire. See how smoke or steam rather. Hey. You see this food there, when you cook your food on firewood, it is something else. This food goes sweet die. See the firewood there, oh, and see it here. It's time for sharing. Victor, please, can you shift one side? The food is not running away, it's coming. Yes, Victoria, don't worry. It is turn by turn. Turn by turn. Hold on, I made them share and finish now. Don't be in a hurry. He go reach everybody last. Chai. So these are the ones they've shared already. Victor ate from inside. Victor, well done. You know they chop the way where every other person they chop for this one. Now special one.
You will carry Victor's own now.
Because you do want to take Victor's own. Take your own. Oh yeah, oh it is time. Oh it is time. Where is my own? Hey. Oh, I hold something. Okay. So this is my own Easter rice. So my Facebook friends enjoying me. My Easter rice is ready. Where is your own?
Hey! I just got it.